I am making you a fresh from scratch peach cobbler. And I'm only going to use a few ingredients. This is your basic peach cobbler. So I'm using flour, sugar, organic cinnamon, baking powder, butter, milk. And this is the mixture that'll go into the fresh peaches. So I have to actually grease the pie pan before I get started. And I also need to set the microwave convection oven so we can get this done and Davey can actually have it for dessert tonight. Okay, so I use real butter. I don't like using margarine. It just doesn't work as well. So we're using fresh butter. I'm gonna preset the oven now. We bake, select, go back to manual, convection bake, select. Now I'm going to push in the temperature, select, open the door, shut it, and start. So this is going to start preheating the microwave convection oven. Now that I have that, I need to basically get all the ingredients together, put my peaches in, and get this thing cooking. All right. Of flour. I need a ½ cup of sugar. So this is a cup. And what I'm doing is filling it halfway. Okay, 4 teaspoons of baking powder. Okay, so this is an organic, simply organic cinnamon, and I really like cinnamon in my cobblers. So I just kind of sprinkle what I want. And then if it's not enough, it doesn't look right, I put more in there. And yes, I have a KitchenAid that I never use because I'm used to doing everything like this. 1 cup. So I'm going to need just a touch more milk. Do the topping now that we've added all the ingredients, and the topping is just a 1/4 cup of cornstarch, 2/3 cups of sugar. Just kind of mix it together. And what this does is just basically gonna be a really nice topping. And it thickens everything. So you just kind of sprinkle it on the top. Okay, now here's the interesting part. So you microwave or you boil a 1.5 cups of water, and then you just pour it on top. You want just enough to cover the pie or the cobbler. And what I'm trying to do is get it to cover everything. Okay, it is ready to go into the convection microwave. And we're going to cook it for, it's basically going to bake in the microwave convection oven for about 45 minutes. Oh, I have flour all over this. All right, let's get it in there. Okay. Start. Okay. 45 minutes from now, we'll see how it turns out. Okay, so it is time. Oh my, looks really good. What I'm going to do is transfer this over, because I don't think I'm going to be able to get the pie out of the oven. Oh yeah, that looks, oh my gosh. And there we go. Now we're gonna let it cool, and then once it's done cooling, we're gonna have some peach cobbler, fresh, homemade. Peach cobbler a la mode.